True life story of this young man wey travel go im hometown, im village, just to attend im brother burial. So the man come arrive late, e no fit go im family house that night. So e come look for one hotel wey be say e dey nearby, come lodge put, not knowing say the hotel na no-go area. As e lodge for the hotel, the people wey dey work for the hotel no know say this man don call im wife already. No be say the man know anything o, the man just lodge as a normal human being. So the man come call im wife, come tell am say he don reach the town o, but im lodge for hotel based on night don reach. Tomorrow morning im go continue, im go arrive there tomorrow morning. Na im wife say okay. So the man come tell im wife the information of the hotel, the name and everything, the room number. Na im wife say okay, no problem, tomorrow morning. Na the man come cut call. Na so those hotel people, na so they carry this man kpai am o, collect everything we get and all that. No knowing say na that kind thing na they do for the hotel. They just use hotel take cover up. Na their business wey they do be that. After they do am finish, the next morning, as they do the burial, you know say a lot of people no go fit notice who come and who no come. Just it be like marriage. Not only a wife come notice say your husband no come, because as a wife you must know whether your husband come or he no come. Your husband no come because if he come, definitely he go ask of your wife. So your wife come dey bother. After the burial, now the rest people say, hey, where your husband? Because he no see am and all that. He tell am say he lodge for hotel yesterday. This morning he go come, but he no see am. Now the say which hotel? He tell the siblings and others say see the hotel. So na so all of them take comot, they can't go the hotel, report to police. They reach there now, and they say they want search the hotel. The hotel say no, they no fit search to blah blah blah. So person no lodge for this hotel. And they say which one be so person no lodge for the hotel? Na him be wife. He tell am say he lodge for this hotel, see the room number and everything. So your husband no go feel life for am. So why you go dey talk say your husband no lodge for this hotel? Na no even see person like this for this hotel. As he can't talk, say your husband call am, the hotel manager and everybody wey dey the hotel, all of them come shock because they no know say the man make call tell the wife or tell anybody say see the hotel wey be say he lodge. You know say some people fit your lodge, they no go tell anybody the hotel where they lodge or anything. So the hotel people come shock, all those kind of things. Now they come say no, they must search this hotel. So during the searching, now they come see the man for back. They don't buy and collect everything we get. As they do that session, and they don't know say the POS wey be say they work for front of the hotel just because of 10,000 naira where the hotel person they hold am, where they work for the hotel, where they hold the girl, he not give the girl, no green pay. And so he command the girl, tell am say make come collect money. And so he buy that one, come go throw away that one for back of this thing, the back of the hotel. No knowing say the hotel they only fence am for front, fence am for side, but for the back they leave space where lead to bush, and therefore they do their do. So please, I bring this thing to you. Now wetin happen and a true life story. I bring this thing to your notice. Make una dey use una brain. Especially those wey dey carry woman, they carry this one, they do all those. And you say you don't want to tell your wife, you don't want to tell anybody or any member of your family. You go dey hotel. If anything happen to you, how they want to locate you? I wish this man not tell his wife, say see the hotel, see the woman, see everything. How the woman go for tell no? You go for say maybe he lost or something happened to her for road. They go for no even reason that hotel. Now only God know how long that hotel don't they go on to they do all those kind things, all those kind of bad things for them. Now only God know. You where they watch me, learn from this video. If you they travel or you they go to anywhere at all, let somebody know. At least, even if say not be your family, if it be your wife, if it be your husband, if it be your closest friend. I know say some friends still they do wonder, but let somebody know. At least it's better. You understand? You know, you just be like some churches now, though they do church, but now another thing that they do for there. You understand? Nowadays, things are happening. God talks say during end time, if they come, different things go they happen. And now with this, so different things are happening. You have to be careful wherever you are. Always let your partner or your family or your siblings know where you are going. If you are married, let your wife know or let your husband know. If you are in a relationship, let your girl know. Let your guy know. If you are not in any relationship, also let your family know. You understand? Anyhow, but just let somebody know. Your good friends, let them know. Because things are happening. I'm telling you, who get here, make it here, who not get, no here. Wako. That is why in some hotel, some people know they like to buy their drink or buy their food. You know why? Imagine this kind of thing will happen to this young man. Maybe you buy their food, they put something, you eat, you sleep. You don't know when they'll take back by the person or collect what you get. Imagine you buy their drink, they put something, you don't know when they do wonders to you. Are you getting it? So please be careful. That is why some people, if they lodge for hotel, they rather go buy food for outside or go buy drink for outside. Not be their fault. Now because of all those kind of things, that make some people they run. You understand? Don't get me wrong, oh, they are good hotels. Oh. Yes, they are good hotels. But how we want to know? Just like churches, there are many churches, they are good ones, but now by faith now you go tell no. So please be careful and pray. Alright? Things are happening, I must tell you. I'll call you.